Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. First, check which account holds the lost file so you don't restore the wrong copy. Once done, open the Dropbox website. This is where version history and deleted file recovery are most reliable. Make sure to inspect both your personal and any linked business or shared folders, because files often live in a different team namespace. If you use SSO, confirm you're on the right enterprise account before proceeding to the Deleted Files view. Now go to Files, then Deleted Files, and use the search box and date filters to narrow results quickly. You'll see previews. Click an item to verify contents, because restoring duplicates waste space. Select one or more entries and hit Restore. If it's a folder, Dropbox preserves structure. For files that were overwritten rather than deleted, choose Version History on the file before restoring, since that preserves edits and avoids restoring an obsolete copy. Once restored, go back to the original folder path and confirm the file appears both on the web and in your local Dropbox folder. Make sure the sync client shows a green check. If you don't see the file, verify retention policy and account limits. Team admins can override retention. If problems persist, toggle selective sync, restart or reinstall the Dropbox app, and only then contact support with timestamps and the file path so they can escalate the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.